To grow lucky bamboo, start with a healthy-looking plant with bright green leaves and stems. Select a glass or ceramic container with tall sides to grow it in, since this will give your plant extra stability as it gets taller. If you want to grow your bamboo hydroponically or without soil, place enough stones or marbles at the bottom of the container to stabilize the plant. Otherwise, plant your bamboo in organic, well-drained potting soil. Set the container in a warm spot that stays between 65 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 32 degrees Celsius, and gets lots of bright indirect sunlight, such as next to a sunny window. If you're growing the plant hydroponically, change the water once a week. Make sure there's always 1 to 3 inches, 2.5 to 7.6 centimeters of water in the bottom of the container. Lucky bamboo can be sensitive to chemicals such as chlorine, so use bottled or filtered water instead of tap water when you can. If your bamboo is planted in soil, keep the soil damp but not soaking wet. Once a month, add a bit of fertilizer diluted to 1/10 strength to the water or soil. Look for a fertilizer formulated for lucky bamboo online or at your garden center and follow the instructions on the package to add it to the soil or water. If your bamboo starts to get top-heavy, or if you notice dead or decaying leaves or stems, snip off the unwanted or damaged shoots with sterile clippers.